your birthday, darling, so I stayed up just to write a little song full of memories we made on quiet nights. The candles may be shining, but my heart still holds a flame. Though you've moved on with someone new, I still whisper your name. Happy birthday, my love, I still miss you so. Even though we said goodbye, there's something you should know. I hope he brings you flowers and sings to you like I did. Happy birthday, my love, you're still that special kid. Remember when we danced so slow to every midnight tune? I swore I'd never let you go, but I lost you too soon. The years have passed like rivers, but some things never fade. I still hold you in the lyrics of every song I've played. Happy birthday, my love, hope the skies are blue, hope your dreams are coming true, the way I dreamed of you. I won't light up your candles, will kiss your laughing eyes, but I'll send a little prayer to where your spirit flies. So if you hear a melody tonight that feels like home, it's just me, still loving you from afar.